Okay, today we're going to demonstrate a plankton tow. We're here at the Santa Barbara Harbor. We're going to be doing a horizontal tow. Importantly for that, we'll want to know the volume of water for our plankton tow. So the first thing we're going to do is set up a transect tape on the dock. This is a fiberglass transect tape. We'll set that up so we have a nice long distance. We have a good clear spot here at the harbor, and we'll be doing a couple of laps for this plankton tow, recording the total distance that we tow the net.
That's 10 meters.
So each lap is going to be 10 meters long. So here Sam will show us the plankton net. So this is a standard 20 micron plankton net. So you can see that it's just a thin, fine mesh with a metal hoop that keeps the mouth of the net open and an open end. This is called the cod end. And you can see right now it's open. Sam is going to attach the cod end of the net. You can see it just slides and clamps on. You always want to make sure that your plankton cod end is secure before you put that in the water. So this is the full net for measuring a horizontal tow. Before we start our tow, it's always important to take environmental data. So we have a probe sit in the water, and we'll just take a quick reading of the temperature here in the water.
We have a temperature of 16.4 degrees Celsius.
Excellent. So it is summertime here in Santa Barbara. It's August, 16.4 degrees C. All right. So when we first place the net in the water, sometimes the cod end catches a little bit of air. So we'll want to make sure that sometimes it doesn't sink right away, but this one did. So you can see that net now is in the water. And it's important to make sure that ring stays totally submerged when we go back and forth. And so just a really slow, gentle pace, walking back and forth. So the actual tow, the length of the tow varies depending on sometimes the amount of plankton that are in the water. We're going to be calculating the amount of plankton in the water, so it'll be important to know the length of the tow. In this demonstration, we'll just go back and forth a couple of laps. So we'll just do 10 meters there and 10 meters back. So you can see when Sam turned the corner, he made sure to keep that net submerged. It's just under the surface, a few centimeters below the surface to avoid any debris floating on the surface. But we'll just get to the end here and then pull it out of the water. This would be a short tow, but just to demonstrate this, we'll pull it out of the water. You can see how the water flows out of the mesh. And we want to catch it, hold the cod end upright, and then we have handy a sampling vial ready. Where we can just unclip that cod end, swirl it a bit, and there is a plankton tow set.